Voidaanko minua kaikkea opettaa, jos se on yli. Aivan tiedä, vielä.
VOCs are not our friend. Welcome to SC Cousin Designs, where we are putting on a product which I don't typically use. It's lacquer, and I heard it fall somewhere. I knocked it over. Of course, it fell to the ends of the earth. No worries, I have another one. So basically, at this point, we'll be putting a coat underneath. And the reason why I like to use lacquer, I don't typically use it, it's simple. It dries fast. Okay, within 15 minutes, you're actually ready to sand. And it goes on and it dries fast, especially in this type of weather where it's 82 and humid. And so I really am curious where in the world that can went to. All I heard was blunk to fall. Here it is. Alright, it's not every day you get to go underneath my messy table to blow off cobwebs that weren't there previously, just minutes ago. Alright, so you know how we do it here at SC Cousin Designs. We don't practice 59 times until it's perfect. We just like to get to work. So we'll show you, I won't do too much spraying with the camera because I kind of need not to get that in up in my camera, but this stuff is great for quick application. So I'm going to go ahead and put you down right here for a quick sec.
There we go. And let's have a go at it. Actually, let's show you what this looks like here like this. Look at that, my friends, if you can see anything. Kind of see the sheen going on there, right? That's what I love about the lacquer. Not the best thing for the environment. But I am in my poly booth. It's specifically made for such applications. So certainly we don't have the VOC in the house. Trust me, the inhabitants of the house do not like that. Neither should that be in your house. So let's see, I'm going to put this light on. Oh, I don't have any electricity at the moment, so alright, let's see. I need to give the underside of it a little bit as well. There. Like I said, I'll just give it one coat. Now already this side is not perfectly dry, but I can see that it's actually ready to get another coat. And this stuff is really the right purpose, the right product for today. So, I can see that there's some buildup of dust. Remember, when you're done with your can, empty the product out, or you will regret it. So you, there you go, I see custom designs.